Hello and welcome to episode 279 of our channel. Hey, Fire, we don't have a channel. Yeah, but it sounds good. Yeah. In today's episode, we're going to play a game called What's in Your Bread? Okay, boss, you go first. What's in your bread? Okay. In my bread, there is flour, water, salt. Ta-da! What's ta-da? Ta-da, ta-da, like that's my bread. Ta-da! Oh, that's all that's in your bread? Yeah, what else should be in a bread? Well, I'm gonna win. Check this out. Okay. Right, in my bread there is flour, water, yeast, sugar, gluten, emulsifiers 751 and 748, acidity regulator 2260, improvers 110, and antioxidants 200. Yum! What do you say to that? Oh dear? Oh dear? What do you mean, oh dear? Well, it's not really healthy bread, is it? What do you mean? That's healthy. It really depends. Mine hasn't got any additives and it's fermented with sourdough. I told you about sourdough, right? Yeah. So that means that it's naturally good bacteria that helps your digestion. It actually feels good in your stomach. Yeah? Well, when I eat my bread, I get like all gassy and bloaty and I go zzz, and then I go oh, that's the sugars in your bread spiking your blood sugar, and then you get a low, whereas my bread has a much lower effect on blood sugar because it's fermented for a long time before baking, so it has a naturally low glycemic index. Alright, well, that sounds kind of cool, glycemic. I'll have to Google that. It's also good for your immune system, helps maintain a healthy balance of good bacteria in your gut, keeps inflammation down, and there's a ton of valuable nutrients that support a good immune system such as zinc, iron and vitamin B. Whoa, that's a lot of things in your bread. Yeah. Boss, yeah, I think you win this round. Yeah. Sorry, Fire. Better luck next time, yeah. If you want more info, we've put it below. Below where? In the comments. I don't see any comments. This set is like falling down. Yeah, a bit like my bread.